Put your eggs in the pot. Cover them with water. Give your eggs a pinch of salt so they don't turn brown. And give your eggs a splash of white vinegar. Like that. That's all you need to do. And that way, if an egg is cracked, it won't bleed out. Okay, put these on your stove, bring them to a boil, and when they come to a boil, your eggs, turn it off. Leave it there for 12 minutes. Maybe a little longer, 14 minutes, if you want it a little more hard. So, thank you. We'll come back and show you the deviled eggs later. Subscribe. Smash the subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. Hundreds of you are viewing. Hundreds and hundreds are viewing. Hundreds and hundreds are viewing. Pete, Carpizzo's Kitchen, out. Thank you all.